Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get the perfect heatless curls with the Kitsch jumbo rod and some other products. So if you guys want to see how I get these really pretty curls, then keep watching. I have tried multiple different methods on how to do heatless curls, and I have both of the different heatless curl rods. The gray one is the original and this brown one is the extra long. This one has been my favorite. The brown one is bigger than the gray. This one just gives more voluminous curls and this one gives tighter curls. I like this one if I want to do the unicorn method, but this is what I use all the time for my normal heatless curls. So like I said, I'm going to be using the XL one today. So I have tried so many different methods on the heatless curls. I've tried just water, I've tried mousse, all that stuff. I will link my first video down below so you guys can see what I did there. But this one I feel like is the absolute best one and looks the absolute best in my hair. Ever since I started doing this way, I've gotten so many compliments, and what I love is that it works on my very stubborn hair. All right, so now let me show you this routine and how I get my heatless curls. It's the best. You guys will love them. So I'm going to be looking in the mirror that's to the left so I can actually see, but first I like to go in with a rat tail comb just to really part my hair down the middle. This comb is from my cosmetology school kit, so I will try to find one similar on Amazon for you guys. Everything that I link will be on Amazon, just because I feel like that's the best place and everything's there. So if you use my links, thank you, because they are affiliate links. Then I like to go in with this Kitsch hairbrush. They actually sent this to me because they saw my first video, and I like to give my hair a good little brush. It does get knotty throughout the day. Then we're going to pop the heatless curling rod into our head. So this one, if you can tell, has this like little piece here where there's no foam. I might need a new one because it might be stretched out. Sometimes I will put a roller here. I have not been, because I'm trying to grow my bangs out. After 4 years, have had bang regret. So I like to just lay this on top of my head and take the section I'm not going to do yet, wrap it around, take a claw clip there, and you kind of want it like right in the middle of your head. See how it's right in the middle? Now for the two hair products you're going to be using. First, we're going to go in with the Amika Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. I like to give this a good shake, and then you want to move the side over and really spray this all over. Then I'm going to go in with the rice water from Hairfinity. I swear rice water and the rosemary oil I've been using have been making a huge difference, but I just lightly mist this into my hair. And I'm going to be using this a little later too. So I'm just going to swing this back over. So this part's a little weird and tricky because, like I said, I think I need a new one of these. But I need to like push this middle part up because, again, I don't have the roller in it. And I'm kind of going to make it look like a hand. And I'm going to take a little section, almost like my bang. And I'm kind of just going to brush with my other hand because sometimes I take a little too much. Whatever's like falling out, you want to brush out. And you're going to take this. You're going to wrap it around the curler. Then you're going to take your thumb, grab another little chunk, kind of like you're braiding. In a way, like think of that, like making the sections when you're braiding. Wrap it around. And you kind of want to like brush with your fingers every time you, before you wrap and after you wrap around. I'm going to take my section, brush it out, wrap it around, brush it out with my fingers, take a section. And I don't take even pieces. I just take whatever. I'm going to keep wrapping around until I get to the end. Okay, so now that I have this last little chunk, I'm going to go back in with that rice water spray because these parts typically tend to stick out. So I'm just going to wrap it around like this, hold it, and then I like to just push up a little bit, fold the remaining part in half, and then I'm just going to take the scrunchie that comes with the rod and just wrap it around. And when you're done wrapping it, you let go. It kind of gets a little loose, but I will show you what to do after. So now I'm going to do the other side. I'm just going to bend this over. So now this is secure. So Amika spray, like literally just decided to fall. My fixed Hairfinity spray. Make your little handle and take your sections. You're going to brush and wrap and repeat all the way till you get to the bottom. So the curls are all done. You could leave them like this, but this, I cannot sleeve like this. So I take a giant satin scrunchie, and you're gonna take your one side at a time and kind of just twist it. And I'm really bad. I like mine tight. So I twist both sides. And this part too, you can kind of go in with your hands, and if anything feels a little loose, kind of push it down like you're kneading bread in a way. So you're gonna go like this. See how I'm like pushing it down? Just like that. And then you're gonna bring them close together with this big scrunchie and just tie that together like a ponytail. I'm just gonna hit it with some Aussie hairspray. This is my all-time favorite hairspray. And that's it. You can put a silk bonnet on to go to sleep. I have, but they have been making me so hot. If anyone knows of a nice, cool alternative, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll link the silk bonnet that I've been wearing. It's about 7:15 now, so I will have these in for about 11 hours. They will be in until 6:15-ish tomorrow morning. So I'll see you in the morning when I take them out. It is the next morning, and it's been pretty much 11 hours exactly. So let's take these curls out. Okay, here is what the curls look like. Here's the back. I like to go in with this vented brush and just brush them out. This brush is from Kitsch also, and this just kind of loosens them a little bit. And don't forget to get the tops. I feel like the top is always giving like a little Farrah Fawcett looking, but that's okay. I kind of like that. Gonna lie. It's because I want a little more volume. I'm gonna go in with the Amica spray again and just spray like the top and just rub it in like you would dry shampoo. I'm gonna go in with some of this Not Your Mother's hair oil. I don't know if we can find this anymore, but if Not Your Mother's has another hair oil, I will link that. I just like to run it through my hair and then once again finish off with some hairspray, and that's it. I'm gonna come back later. Probably it's 6:21 now, so I'll come back around like 3-4 o'clock to show you guys how the curls fall throughout the day, because they're pretty tight right now, and a lot of times by the end of the day they become like really pretty loose weaves. So it's about 3:30 now. I've been home from work for a little while. These are the curls. They're just really pretty little loose waves. I really love how they look towards the end of the day. Tonight I'm just gonna wrap them up again with the curling rod, and they'll just be as good as new. And normally, because tomorrow I'll have third day hair, I'll probably just put my hair up in like a headband or something, depending on how greasy my hair is looking. I just really love the loose wave that they fall down to. I think it is so pretty and just looks so effortless. And that is it for my heatless curl tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!